Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Friendsgiving filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter, Friendsgiving 2020. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, it's gone. So get this filter on Snapchat. What you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Likewise, and you will see this pop-up unlock for 48 hours. Just tap there and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this Friendsgiving filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.